40 count cough drops, $2.38 each. So the Mucinex cough drops is on sale 2 for $12. There are several different varieties to choose from. We have a $1 digital in the Walgreens app. We also have a $1 printable on coupons.com. So you would pay $10 out of pocket. Submit your receipt to ShopKick for $655 kicks back when you purchase 2 different varieties. That's $262 and you would get that 2 times, making the final cost just $4.76 for 2 or $2.38 each. I hope that this was helpful. Like and follow for more.